Welcome to another Motivational Monday. Last week I put a post on that it's not whether the glass is half full, half empty, it's all about filling that glass. But sometimes it can feel like that glass has got a hole in it. And it doesn't matter how much you fill, it just keeps dripping out. And it could start with a bit of a dribble, which is easily ignored. We can still keep on. But eventually that hole is going to get bigger. And it doesn't matter how fast you fill that hole, so I fill that glass, that water is just going to keep on emptying. And what's going to happen is your arm is going to get tired of holding that jug and filling that glass. So the question is, do we concentrate on plugging the hole or making the arm stronger to hold that jug so we keep on filling? Which one is it? We can temporarily plug the hole with one hand whilst pouring with the jug, but that's not going to last long, is it? It's not going to last. It's just going to get tired in the hole. So sometimes in our life, we just need to put the jug down and sort out that hole. Sort that hole out in the glass. We all have our own difficulties in life. Yes, there's someone worse off, but it's all in perspective, isn't it? It's all in perspective. And however minor it may have, your difficulty, your problem, your hole in your glass may appear to others, it is your hole. Okay, it's your hole, it's your jug. It's how much you're putting in, it's coming out. Okay, so someone may have a bigger hole, someone may have a smaller hole. That's your hole. All right. So let's take a break. Put that jug down. Step back and look at the hole. Work out how big is that hole. What can we use to plug that hole? Do we need help plugging that hole? And then get on with it. And then get on with plugging that hole, fixing the hole, fixing that problem. Then we go back to enjoying filling our glass. Yeah? It's half full. No, it's all about filling it. Okay. So this week, have a look at your glass. Okay? Is it leaking? Right? Is there any little problems, difficulties, or anything you can fix? Is it a dribble or is it a big hole? Yeah. Whether it's a small dribble, just fix it. Yeah. Small dribbles, small holes are easier to fix than big holes. Yeah. Small problems, big problems. And sort it before while it's a small little problem. Alright. So have a look at your glass, plug that hole, fill it up with happiness. Alright. That's my Motivational Monday, and I'll see you guys next week.